the cabin. We're up having breakfast. Yeah, it's Saturday morning. We're gonna go to the Sky Bridge.
Good morning.
I'm gonna let them dang bears get me.
I would have. I would have taken a chance of walking next to a bear.
How you guys feeling up there?
Good. It's a beautiful day. There's not a cloud in the sky.
Clouds, except for over there, over the mountains, because they make their own weather.
Mountains make their own weather?
Yeah.
Where the heck have you heard that before?
This wise old man told me a couple times.
And I don't know.
You see me in there?
I mean,
You just had to, didn't you?
I don't mind doing it. I mean, I rode with him. Because we're going down a mountain like this. We're going down with the curve. Oh my God, is that the road we're going to be on? And I'm like, oh wait, John, don't look. Oh yeah, we're going down.
Can you zoom in on this thing?
Here.
How do you work this thing?
Fine.
Papa, what are you doing?
What's he doing down there?
That
This guy is insane.
Hovering on it, don't be mad when you see that here.
What the?
Oh. I could totally be in that music video. Look, I got the knees.
I know, I do. Hold on.
Feel like you should have put a ring on it.
We're gonna go talk to John and see how his adventure was.
What do you think it is?
It's totally epic.
Okay.
Totally epic. It's a little squatchy down there and got a little wonky on the back side of the boulder, but total sketch. You know, I just thought we're here, might as well send it. You know,
Yeah, if
full
I lay
send.
on the ground,
Yeah,
it'd be wider than me.
right, full send. You know, might as well.
I could lay on.
That's the motto. Kind of got a little chossy there at the end. Got a little gripped out, but I sent it.
Hello. Let's do this.
It's like, hi! It's like, yeah, okay, I look down.
You got this. You got this. Now look down.
Oh, God!
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
I don't know how to say that.
Good morgen. I could have stayed at the cabin all day. Yep. Here. Look at the camera.
Where'd you come from? Oh, I thought you were all the way back there. Papa, come on.
Okay, I'm coming.
Trim that section.
Is that a GoPro?
Can I talk into the camera? We are in another state hiking, and I'm having so much fun. If you come to the States, you'll have so much fun here. I even have a hot tub at my place. My place is... Papa, what place is ours? I think it's
in Tennessee.
So we are in Tennessee. I'm having so much fun on this hiking trip. Me and my grandpa are still here. And we are having so much fun.
Right there. Why do you keep saying that? Why do you keep lying?
No, no matter where we're at, we know we're halfway because we still have to go back.
Yeah.
Don't tell her. Oh man, my legs. Everything from your stairs is easier. I said, don't tell her that.
Get down. I wanted to show you. Let's demonstrate.
Wow. Just beautiful.
Thanks.
Beautifuler.
You ready?
Not even.
I pass him in the truck every time.
He runs a 5K a day.
Liz, I know the time it takes.
3 times a week. Oh, sorry. She's like, okay, let's go.
Then you guys leaving and nobody behind me to catch me.
You're an animal. Totally sick. Full send. I know. That's what I was looking at. I want to go out there on that fin. Probably in the winter, if this is all snowy and everything, they just clip in and use like a top rope kind of thing to come up the stairs. I don't know, like a safety rope.
Is this a cave?
This is the cave. This is Arch Rock.
Another one right here.
Yeah, probably for the winter time when it's icy. Let's go, dirtbag. Get up, get up, get up. Let's do this. The theater room is trashed. Three, two, one.